Freight Driver App Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if you could turn your vehicle into a flexible source of income with just a smartphone and a few taps? Most people get this wrong, assuming gig economy driving apps all work the same way and that earning potential is limited or unpredictable. The surprising truth about the Freight Driver app in 2025 is that it has evolved into a versatile platform connecting drivers with freight and delivery opportunities, but it comes with pros and cons that could make or break your experience. Today, we're breaking everything down so you can decide whether it's worth it or if you should leave it behind. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the Freight Driver app works, its requirements, earning potential, fees, scheduling flexibility, safety measures, real-world examples, potential drawbacks, and insider tips to maximize income in 2025. Stay with me, because near the end I'll share one strategy that can significantly boost your earnings that most drivers overlook. Let's start with the basics. Freight is a mobile platform connecting independent drivers with businesses and individuals needing transportation services for goods, packages, and freight. Unlike ride-hailing apps that focus on passenger rides, Freight emphasizes delivery and cargo transport. In 2025, the app supports a wide range of vehicles, from sedans and SUVs to vans and trucks, depending on the delivery requirements. It's designed to provide drivers with flexible earning opportunities while giving businesses access to on-demand transport solutions. Now, let's talk about registration and requirements. To become a freight driver, you need a valid driver's license, a registered vehicle that meets the app specifications, proof of insurance, and a smartphone compatible with the Freight app. Some regions require background checks and vehicle inspections to ensure compliance with safety and regulatory standards. The registration process is fully digital, allowing drivers to sign up, submit documents, and get approved within a few days in 2025. Now, let's talk about how it works. Once approved, drivers receive delivery requests through the app. The app displays the pickup location, destination, package size, estimated distance, and the fare. Drivers can choose which requests to accept based on their availability, vehicle capacity, and preferred routes. The app uses GPS navigation to guide drivers efficiently and offers real-time updates on traffic and delivery status. Now, let's talk about earning potential. Earnings depend on several factors: distance, package size, delivery complexity, and time of day. In 2025, drivers typically earn more per mile for larger freight or urgent deliveries. Freight also provides incentives, bonuses, and surge pricing during high-demand periods. Most drivers report a flexible but variable income, with full-time drivers earning a steady wage comparable to traditional delivery jobs, while part-time drivers can supplement income around their schedules. Now, let's talk about fees and commissions. Freight charges a service fee or commission on each delivery. This fee covers app maintenance, customer support, and insurance protections. In 2025, the typical commission ranges from 10% to 20% depending on the delivery type and region. Unlike some competitors, Freight is transparent about its fees before confirming the job, allowing drivers to make informed decisions about accepting assignments. Now, let's talk about scheduling flexibility. One of Freight's main advantages is flexibility. Drivers can log in and out of the app at any time, choose deliveries that fit their schedules, and plan routes according to their preferences. This is especially valuable for part-time drivers, students, or anyone looking to supplement their income without committing to fixed hours. Flexibility also allows drivers to optimize earnings by targeting peak demand periods. Now, let's talk about safety and support. Freight provides insurance coverage for approved deliveries and offers in-app support for driver and customer issues. Real-time tracking enhances safety and accountability, while ratings and reviews encourage responsible behavior from both drivers and clients. In 2025, the platform also includes features like emergency contact buttons and dispute resolution support, giving drivers peace of mind when operating independently. Now, let's talk about real-world examples. Consider Alex, who drives a mid-sized van. Using Freight, he picks up furniture and appliances for local businesses, earning a consistent income while working flexible hours. On high-demand days, surge pricing allows him to double his earnings on urgent deliveries. Similarly, Maria, who drives part-time after her day job, accepts small parcel deliveries in her city. By strategically choosing high-paying requests, she supplements her income without disrupting her daily routine. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. Many new drivers accept every request without considering distance, time, or vehicle suitability. Others underestimate fees or fail to optimize routes, which can reduce net earnings. To maximize income, drivers should review job details carefully, plan delivery sequences efficiently, and monitor app updates for bonuses or surge opportunities. Now, let's talk about vehicle considerations. The type and condition of your vehicle directly impact your ability to accept jobs and earn more. Larger vehicles can handle freight, earning higher fees, while smaller vehicles are limited to light packages. Maintaining your vehicle, ensuring insurance coverage, and adhering to safety regulations is essential to prevent delays, accidents, or account suspension. Now let's talk about earning optimization strategies. Experienced freight drivers suggest focusing on peak demand periods, accepting higher value deliveries, and planning multi-stop routes efficiently. Using GPS and traffic apps can reduce travel time and increase the number of deliveries completed per shift. Additionally, keeping the app updated ensures access to new features, bonuses, and optimized routing algorithms. Now, let's talk about potential drawbacks. Freight income is variable and dependent on demand. Slow periods or oversaturated areas may reduce available jobs. Weather, traffic, and vehicle maintenance also affect earnings. Drivers should plan for downtime, keep a budget for fuel and maintenance, and understand that income can fluctuate. Unlike salary jobs, benefits such as health insurance or retirement contributions are not included, so drivers must plan independently. Now, let's talk about who benefits the most. Freight is ideal for drivers seeking flexible income, individuals with suitable vehicles, and those comfortable using digital platforms. Full-time and part-time drivers can both benefit, especially those targeting areas with consistent delivery demand. Gig economy veterans will appreciate the ability to manage schedules, select deliveries strategically, and optimize earnings with minimal oversight. Now, let's talk about who might want to skip it. If you prefer predictable salaries, benefits, or structured work environments, freight may not be suitable. Drivers in areas with low delivery demand or without appropriate vehicles may find limited earning opportunities. Additionally, those uncomfortable with independent problem solving or technology may struggle with the platform. Now, let's talk about tips for success. Maintain your vehicle to prevent downtime and accidents. Track fuel and maintenance costs to manage net earnings. Accept higher value or urgent deliveries strategically, and plan routes efficiently. Monitor peak hours and app updates for incentives, and always provide excellent service to maintain high ratings and future opportunities. Now, let's answer the big question. Is the Freight Driver app worth it in 2025? If you want flexible, on-demand driving income and can strategically manage your schedule and vehicle, yes. The platform provides access to diverse delivery opportunities, transparent fees, and tools to maximize earnings. However, it is not a guaranteed salary, and success depends on planning, vehicle suitability, and understanding market demand. Here is the surprising truth. Many drivers underestimate the earning potential of specialized delivery platforms like Freight. With careful planning, peak hour targeting, and smart vehicle utilization, drivers can earn comparable or even higher income than traditional delivery jobs, all while maintaining flexible hours. So let me ask you something. Do you want a rigid, low-paying gig? Or do you want a platform that lets you control your schedule, select high-value deliveries, and optimize your vehicle for maximum earning potential? If this review helped you understand the Freight Driver app, hit the like button so more drivers can discover smarter gig opportunities. Subscribe for in-depth reviews, and comment below how would you use Freight to maximize your income in 2025. Smart driving income is about flexibility, strategy, and efficiency, and Freight delivers all three when used wisely.